from value proposition, you're going to move into customer personas and insights. I teach this class a lot at Founder Institute, the last 4 cohorts, I believe, which is about customer development and or go-to-market. And so all of your messaging, all of your personas, all of your insights should come from discovery. Never assume that you know everything about your customer, even if you do know everything about your customer. There's always more to find out. And the best thing about going to market is understanding your product market fit, right? And that comes from discovery. And so you don't want to sell something, remember at the beginning slide, who, what, and how. You need to know specifically what you're selling, but also to who you're selling it. And that comes from discovery. So get out, talk to people, ask questions, develop the groups that you think would be most likely to buy your service. For us, our service is anywhere from 21 to 65 or even older, right? So we're having to go into each kind of group and talk to them about the value proposition that's important to them. Millennials have a different value proposition than people who are in their 60s at the end of the day. So really understanding those personas and insights of your customer and then developing your messaging around it. Is there a problem that needs to be solved? And are you solving it? Has your customer been looking for it? I said I'd use AutoThink as an example because we certainly don't have everything figured out, even if we have decades of experience. And we went to market originally with the idea that there's enough technology in your car. If you buy a new car, you don't know how to use it. And people need to know how to use the technology in their car, be hands-free so you aren't talking on your phone. Well, the dealerships didn't think there was a problem, but consumers thought there was a problem, and consumers didn't want to pay for it. So we had a problem. We had a solution and we had a channel, but those solutions didn't work because the customer, at the end of the day, both customers weren't willing to pay for it. So understand if there's a problem, what that problem is, and if there's a need for it. Now we've pivoted and we've moved to this valet service, and I pretty much guarantee you, everyone in here, if I said, would you like time back in your day and like this service, you're gonna nod your head that there's a problem, and you're willing to pay for it, a little bit for it. So know what the problem is before you try and solve it.